Okay, so don't discount that it could be 13 times 1 or 20 times 1. Now we'll go down here. I need two things that multiply to negative 15. So it could be 15 times negative 1, or negative 15 times positive 1, or 3 times negative 5, or 5 times negative 3. Could be any of those things. Which ones of them add to positive 14? The first one. Now it does make a difference. Not that I have to put that first. I could have written it like this. You know, those are the same thing. But it matters which one the negative goes with because I have to get a positive in the middle. Right? So when I do my little check smiley face, when those two add up, I have to get a positive number. So the bigger one needs to be positive. Okay, you ready to try that one? Okay, I'm going to pause-y. Not really. All right, so we decided that this was 6 times 12 is 72. Negative times a positive is a negative. And then when we check the middle, negative 6x and positive 12x, you get 6x, and that's what I want. I want a positive 6x in the middle. Okay, here I go. 42, the difference has to be 1. Two numbers that multiply to 42, negative 42, and add to a positive 1, negative 1. 42 and 1 would give me in the middle 41. Yeah? 6 and 7. Okay, so negative 7 times positive 6 will give me negative 42. And negative 7 plus 6 will give me negative 1. So this time, the smaller one had to be positive and the bigger one had to be negative because I needed a negative there. Okay, last one. Hello? Anybody? 11 and 3, both negative. How can they both be negative? Yeah, because it's got to add to negative 14, x, and it's got to multiply to positive 33. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, let's talk about some conclusions. This is what I want to say. If if the polynomial starts out with a plus and a plus, then this thing is going to have a plus and a plus. Right? If I've got x squared plus some value of x plus something, then I'm going to have a plus and a plus in there because everything's positive, so it's all good. What if you have something, I'm just putting in letters because I don't want to put in numbers. What if you have something, where there's a negative here, but a positive at the end? Yeah, they're both negative. And what if you have a negative and a negative? They're different. They're definitely different, and that's the big one because the middle has to turn out negative. And if I have a positive and a negative, same, but this is the big one. You with me? Okay, so that's just a little guide. And then that's your work.